Grizzly 4003G gunsmith lathe, and what I'm doing today is turning down a Shilen 284 barrel. It started out as a barrel blank 1 1/4 inches in diameter. And what I've done is got in the homemade lathe dog here between a dead center and a live center. And you'll notice that the barrel is much thicker on this end than this end. And how I've accomplished that is offsetting my tailstock. You can see the offset just by this wall, and I'll be lined up here, so that get my focus back here, so that this side is closer to the tool than this side over here. I place the tool where I want my constant thickness to stop and my taper to begin. Set it to 0 there, then bring this over here and bring my tool over here to meet that same 0, and that sets my taper. In this case, it's going to be, for the first 6 inches, it's going to be a 1 1/8 taper, or 1 1/8 for a large shank, and then from there to here, it's going to taper down from 1 1/8 to 0.875 inches. And I'll end up cutting off about that much of the barrel anyway. Usually the lands are a little bit messed up for the first inch or two of the barrel. So I'm using a combination of Molly D and a high sulfur cutting oil, and I'm having a lot of problem keeping the chatter out of this. I'm turning it kind of rough right now, and then I'll take a very fine cuts off of it, and I'll come back in and maybe just shut it off a second. And you can see it's a real rough cut right now, but I'll go back on the next pass and set this to a much higher range, finer feed, and take virtually nothing off. Just try to take the tool marks out without causing any chatter, because chatter is a real big issue with this barrel contouring operation.